Hi guys, Stuart and Alan here for Outdoor Basics, and I've got my wee Daysack with us. We've done a video, that looked loose there and it was stressing me out. I don't have OCD. We've done a video, I don't know, two years ago on this Daysack. This is a Daysack I made completely myself. I ordered a load of 500D Cordura from eBay, and then I just got a load of clips and stuff that I upcycled for an old rucksack and an old set of webbing I think it was, and I just kind of had at it. And a few people, we've had this in a few kind of Insta posts and stuff like that recently, and a few people have asked about it. So an update on it and how's it getting on, and it's getting on awesome. Still absolutely bomb-proof. Really happy, really happy. I think it's about 30 litres maybe. So I'll just give you a wee look at it, some of its features and what I've got in it today. Because my kind of main Daysack that I have been using recently, I sent down to Rugged Designs to get him to do some work on it for me. I'm going to order a load of stuff though for Contact Left and have another go at making this Daysack, maybe with some improvements. So first feature is the large top flap here, which I kind of like the angled off at the end there. First feature is that it takes my German folding mat nice and neat on the front there, and that is also covered with 500D Cordura, and I will put that there to put stuff on. Moving round the sides, it's got a large pocket at the front and large pockets on either side. In this side I've got my collapsible buck saw, I've got a ceramic rod, I think that's that. In the top flap I just kind of put these two kind of wee mini pouches here, and my heavy duty gloves for taking stuff off the fire or anything like that just fit in there brilliant, man. And they've been absolutely awesome in there, I love having them there. Next, starting for the top down, I've got my possibles pouch, my first aid kit, set that there, my waterproof jacket, my water bottle with my titanium cup and all that sort of stuff, a tarp, and another wee handy dandy pouch I made myself from a kip sheet, old school kip sheet. And next I have a warm jacket from Widow 10, my Wooby hoodie, my fire kit, and usually it's actually over there, my boy's using it just now. I have my tomahawk, just the head of the tomahawk and the shaft of the tomahawk there as well. Another really handy wee feature that I suppose you could say that's part of the Daysack, well it is part of the Daysack, that we talked about before in a previous video, was this, my wee sit folding mat slash signal mat. So yeah, that's it. 500D Cordura, handmade myself, and it takes all that kit in it, and it had plenty of spare room in it to just fit some bits and bobs in it for coming up the woods today. So yeah, I'm really impressed with that. Dudes, give it a go, man. Make your own Daysacks up. This is still going strong. It's absolutely bomb-proof. I'm going to have a go at improving it. Things that I'm looking to improve, I'm just waiting on Contact Left getting spacer mesh and mesh in. I'm going to pad the back and I'm going to pad the shoulder straps. I don't need to with the spacer mesh or anything like that. I'm just doing it because I want to, really, to be honest. And that's about it. Maybe try a different colour combo just to be a tarp, but who knows. So yeah, this is a wee self-made Daysack. We'll call it the OB Mini, Outdoor Basics Mini, and that's just my one kind of out and about in the woods pack, and I've got absolutely everything I could ever need in it. So yeah, if you like what we're doing, don't forget like, share, comment, subscribe and all that good sounding stuff. Maybe put in the comments if you can, I don't know, or tag us on Instagram Outdoor Basics on Instagram, and some projects that you've made yourself. I'm not a kit repairer or anything like that. I've no formal training, I just kind of had a pop at it. Maybe show some bits and bobs of kit that you've made. That would actually be really awesome to see. So yeah, see you in the next one, guys.